right, and we are always time. Keep it strange, okay, yeah, I'm insane. But you're the same, let me paint the picture.
What's up, guys? What's up? Good to have you all. Good to have you all. It's another day to move the markets, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from?
I want you forever, even when we're not together.
It is about time to lock in. It's about time to lock in. Comment where you're watching me from. I am trading binary options and we are on gold OTC chart. And I'm more than ready to get the bag because why not? I'm more than ready. Tell me, how has your day been, traders? Tell me, how has your day been? How have you spent your day today? Have you looked at your charts? Have you looked at your charts today? What can I say? It's complicated. Have you looked at your charts today? Trading is a skill that you build with time, so the more you're consistently showing up, the shorter your journey to profitability is gonna be. Raphael, good to see ya. George, what's up? What's up? Mamner, good to see ya. Muhammad, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all traders in the building. Tell me, did you look at your charts today, guys? Abdul, good to see ya. All right, let us lock in and start getting entries. Tiba from Budapest, Alexander. Good to see you, Mahamud. Good to see ya. Guys, I'm doing well. I had now if I could tell you how my day has gone, guys. I actually had a very productive day. Oh my god, I had a very, very productive day today. I had a great day, to be honest. I was waiting onto something, but it turned out well. So yeah, good days. Okay, let us get these buys. This is our first entry for tonight, and I'm seeing it's moving well. This is a trading assembly, and when it comes to the trading assembly, you're free to ask any trading question. We are here to catch up as traders, share experience, but also to learn. So feel free to ask any trading question. Okay, my anticipation, I'm seeing whenever you're trading, of course, we trade the most recent price action, and from what I'm seeing, the market is moving upwards. So I'm anticipating more buyers coming up. Hence why I'm taking buys in this zone. Let us see how it's closing. Whenever you're on the charts, you have to be looking at the most recent price action. Yeah, because the market is most likely to head in those directions of new highs, new lows, to create a new high, to create a new low. Basically, that's the whole goal of looking at the most recent price action. You're anticipating something from the market. And buyers are really strong. Already. So let's get moves. Tell me guys, did you look at your charts today? How have you spent your day? How are you spending your day today? Teacher Lee, good to see ya. What do you look for? Confluences. Okay. My confluences are just, I refine my entries based on candlestick patterns, but my general confluence is understanding the market I'm dealing with. It's gonna be easier for you to anticipate a market direction when you already know the market you're dealing with. If I'm dealing in a bullish market, I'm going to keep on anticipating the market to continuously making new highs and maintaining all the strong lows. So anytime I'm executing, even when I'm just taking sell entries in a bullish market, my mind will just know that I'm taking this is a pullback entry. I'll not just keep on selling a bullish market. I'll only sell a bullish market with a mindset that I'm just taking a pullback. Once it's done, I'm going to switch my mindset back to a bullish market. I'll do you as a friend. So those are my confluences. Then down for a kiss. Traders tell me, what are your confluences? What do you always look out for in the market? Now wind is blowing. And this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just like you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Okay, it seems like sellers are really onto something here. So call me maybe. Oh, you guys are crazy. This is a trading assembly. Guys, feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to move the market. We are here to move the market. I'm not going to have any mercy today, guys. I'm gonna be showing up. I'm gonna be showing up on every move. So let's see how this closes. Already moving well. And this is crazy. I'm calling maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number. Now call me maybe. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy, but here's my number. So call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. Guys, we all know there are very many candlestick patterns that you can base on to trade. Personally, the ones I really always look out for on the charts are engulfing candlestick patterns, pin bar, inside bar, Marabuzo candles. Those are the candlestick patterns that I can apply while trading. But when it comes to trading, one thing I know, sometimes it's not about having a collection of very many confluences. It is just having a few things and you just be consistent with them. And whenever you're going to be trading with candlestick patterns, the entire chart is full of candlesticks. So that means any candlestick printed on the chart, a trader out there can see it as an entry point. But to become a mechanical trader, you want to trade candlestick patterns when you're seeing them in a key area. It's not about seeing a bullish candle in between a trend and you assume that since it is green, I'm going to buy. You have to be applying your knowledge of candlestick patterns in key areas. For example, I am a pure price action trader. I would want to see candlestick patterns forming in the highs and the lows of the market because that's what I'm looking at to take my entries from. Yeah, let me hope that helps you, my friend. When you're in a bullish market,
it seems like every time you give me signs and I miss it. I did it again. I admit it. I left you standing there, and now I regret it.
Seems like every
time I get the chance.
Alright, what the? Okay, the night is still fresh. Let us look for more entries. Let us look for more entries. Poto, thank you for the compliments. I mean, thank you for the compliments. Next time I won't stop, I listen to my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you. I should have told you how I feel. I have been studying your moves intensively. 2 candles, pullbacks after a break of structure are always winning trades. Yeah, like guys, I always tell you. Actually, when it comes to pullbacks, it is not really necessarily important to count the number of candles that you're going to be taking your pullback entry on, but also noticing that at least you're seeing at least you're seeing 2 candles that are in the opposite direction. That can be a signal that the pullback could be kicking in. But those candles, to use them, you have to be seeing that their bodies are big enough to show momentum. Whenever you see big candles in the market, guys, that is a sign of momentum and a little bit of strength. And now, if you're seeing it in a key area that the market has just broke structure, that is a very good confirmation, because after a break of structure, we anticipate a pullback in the market. So if you're seeing 2 big candles that are happening in the opposite direction of the market trend, that can be enough reason for you to take that trade. And if all of them, for example, we see a pin bar and the next candle opens below the pin bar and it closes below it, that is more confirmation that there is strength in the market and you can execute. You can execute. Yeah, when it comes to trading, actually, guys, the strategy is not the problem. It is always you. It's always about you as a trader to consistently lock in, to fully lock in. Yeah, from that you can. And when someone comments something like that, I can easily tell that they are always locked in. Yeah. And it takes a trader to actually notice that. The moment things start making sense to you, you can easily actually look at someone's chart, and when they're making an entry, you can actually sometimes find the reason why they took the move. So traders, feel free to ask any trading questions. We are here to learn. I should have kissed you. I should have told you just how I feel. And this time I won't stop until I have your heart. 'Cause what I'm feeling is real. I should have kissed you. All right. Let us see how these stores are gonna close. Just for other girls on a mission like me. 2 steps ahead like C. Fitters and Fenty, I'm bad like oh my god, buyers are really playing on my entry. Beautifully locked in. 100K, I don't see no less. Got my name engraved on American Express. This is for the girls independent like me. Got my feelings in my pockets, I don't wear it on my sleeves. Trips to Toronto, trips to Berlin. My whole wardrobe paid off by me. Did I own before I was famous? Schedule busy, I don't plan on changing. Okay. People trying to press you, but you ain't pressed on it. I'm way too fine to be inside. I'm outside, having my own, booking my own trips. Don't ever let them disrespect you and call you about your day.
You have these boys obsessed, they can't stop mentioning your name. I'm bad, I'm gorgeous, I'm very important. How you calling me a snack? You know I'm 7 courses. This is for the girls getting money. This is for the girls who don't need no man. This is for the girls who love themselves. This is for all the girls that did it by themselves. This is for all the girls that's INTEPENDNT. This is for all the girls that been living stress free. This is for all the girls on a mission like me. This for the girls. This for all the girls around the world. All right, guys. Whenever you're on your execution time frame, you basically have to look for entries based on your strategy. So this is what I be always looking out for whenever I'm trading. And guys, like I always tell you, the moment you start your trading session, there isn't any moment your mind is going to skip this thing. So it's not like at the beginning of It's not like at the beginning of your trading session, that's when you're supposed to look for these things. From the beginning of your trading session to the last point of your trading session, you have to continuously be looking out for these confluences. Oh my god. What? Guys are trying to play me here. They are trying to play me here. Okay. Let us see if they are going to really shift structure or this is just a mere pullback. So whenever I'm on my execution time frame, I first understand the market condition I'm dealing with. Before you execute, first know the kind of market you're dealing in. So the moment I understand that I'm in a bullish market, I'm going to be looking for buys. Of course, in all market directions, you can take both buys and sell entries. It doesn't matter. What matters is what you're looking at that. What's the recent price action? Then you execute. You can see right now we are in a bearish market based on structure. But I am taking these two buys here because I was anticipating a pullback. The moment you look at market structure and the most recent low has just been taken out in a bearish market, you anticipate a pullback. A pullback is seen, candles appearing in the opposite direction. Yeah, let me hope that helps you guys. All those that I know, this is the most common question most traders ask me. And actually, I love the curiosity because if that is the same thing I always had in mind when I was starting out to trade, like you want to know what is the trader thinking, what is going in their mind, what are they looking at in the market on the charts for them to execute. And as price action is my strategy, I'm always looking at understanding the market condition. Now I'm in a bearish market, so I'm going to take sales if I am anticipating a continuation, and I'm going to take buy trades when I see a break structure to the downside. Like currently, you can see the market has just broke structure to the downside. I will be anticipating a pullback. So if the market gives me a reason to take buy entries and that's a candlestick patterns, I'm gonna execute. And if I see the market has pulled back but it has not made any difference, like taking out the most recent high on the chart in a bearish market, my mindset is going to go back to the overall market condition, which is a bearish market, and I start looking for sell entries. That's it. So all my trades, I execute them based on that. That is what I'm always looking at continuously on the chart. It's not like I look for it at the first 10 minutes of my trading sessions. I look for it throughout the entire session. I'm understanding the market condition, market structure, candlestick patterns. I'm just trying to get to know you. Get a little closer, baby, closer. Do you mind? 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 Do you mind all night? Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, you. Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. You know. We ain't got forever.
Oh my god. All right. Someone is asking why is it that sometimes you're better and the other times you're not better, but you keep on showing up and you're consistent. I mean, that is what growth means. It's not like every day you're gonna have a successful trading day. Yeah, there are days when the market is really gonna go crazy against you, but that's all part of the learning stage when it comes to trading. And I believe it's not just only when it comes to trading. When you're just starting out to learn something new, that is how growth sometimes appears. Some days you're going to feel like you know everything. Then the next day you're gonna feel like you back at stage one, but that's how it always be. That's how learning is about. All you have to do is to appreciate the process and the journey. Because what you're sharing, what? Okay, let us get another move. Let us look forward to getting another move. Guys, when I was also just starting out, actually most times, not even just days, some weeks would feel like that. I would have a successful maybe trading day, then the next day I would just feel like I would just say I'm not a trader actually. I would even consider giving up. Actually me, I never gave up because I had invested a lot of time. And I had taken a lot of losses from the market. I felt like I have to first get back whatever I've invested in the market. Then I give up. So if you find yourself you have really done that, that's all part of the process. At least you're really doing practice. There are very many guys who claim they are traders, but they open their charts once in a month. But if you're showing up every day, I mean, you have better progress than traders that take months without looking at charts.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week.
Oh my god, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing now? We have really caught on a very good move here.
You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now you silent. Through the Cooper 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' ship it only cause you know you
popping, girl.
You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. No, baby, in a bag, in a Birkin. No, not a bag, put the work in.
Guys, whenever you're trading, understanding market structure is really, really important. It's really important because market structure shows you the turning points in the market, and it is those turning points where the market is moving towards too. You can sit down and you do market analysis just to prove that concept. Yeah, you have to if you can understand that concept, that market structure shows you the turning points, you map out the market structure, you map out the break of structure, and you watch what happens after break of structure. You start seeing how the market reacts to those points. You're going to realize if the market has just broke structure, it's going to, of course, give you a pullback. But you're also going to realize sometimes it's pulling back to meet up something maybe in the markets, because that's how the markets are already. Oh my god. Okay, let's keep moving. Guys, losses are part of this game. What you have to do is to manage your risk so that you don't get wiped out by just a single loss that you are taking. That is the whole point of risk management.
I know games. Freaky. I can learn a lot from you. Gotta come teach me.
Evans, I'm glad you have really learned something. Yeah, actually, guys, I'm really proud of every trader that is taking trading serious, that is showing up. That is really showing up, because I know I've been at a beginner level. I know how much troublesome it can be. At some point, you feel like, most of the times, you feel like you would want to give up. Sometimes you would feel like you would want to give up. But if you fully lock in, every second you have put in this market is gonna be worth it. Honestly, that's one thing I can tell you. Anytime you're spending on the charts, it's gonna be worth it one day. Just I'm speaking this from my own experience, because the kind of trader I was in when I was just starting out to trade in 2022, that trader does not exist anymore, because I elevated, improved, changed completely. That's one thing I can tell you. So actually, most of the questions you're asking me here, I had the same questions at that time. To be honest. I would be wondering I would just look at the charts and some things would not make sense, but the more you look in, everything starts making sense. You reach a certain level in trading where you just have to look at the chart just a few minutes and you can easily identify. You can easily start and just, oh my god, this was a very quick turn. This was a very quick turn against my move. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. There's a link in the description for the platform, guys, and it is pocket options. Started wearing less and going out more. How many months should you practice? Now, guys, when it comes to trading, to be honest, I feel like your success is going to be determined by how much time you really put in. And personally, I already share with you guys, I feel like I took long to start seeing consistent results because I personally was inconsistent. I actually fully locked in when I saw someone who joined trading after me was becoming profitable. They were actually starting to show results from trading that I felt like I should also fully lock in. Actually, I felt, how can I describe that feeling? I felt like if someone joined trading after me and they are already profitable and cruising, that means like I'm just playing and doubting myself. So the quicker you lock in, I feel like your journey is much shorter compared to someone who is inconsistent. Because me, I was an inconsistent person. I kept on calling myself a beginner. Can you imagine 2 years into trading and my mindset was still for a beginner? I kept on thinking I'm still a beginner when actually I was bigger than that. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. These days, all I do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up a backwards for someone else. Doing things I taught you, getting nasty for someone else. You don't need no one else. You don't need nobody else. No. Why you never alone? Why you always touch and roll? Used to always stay at home, be a good girl. You was in the zone. Can you differentiate market structure from price action? I feel like market structure is literally price action, because price action basically means you're looking at the current price, market price, and all current market movements to make entry decisions. And if you're looking at a candlestick chart, like right now we are on a candlestick chart, it moves forming structure, and that structure it makes, that's what is called market structure. When the market is in a bearish market, continuously making lows, going down, making lows, pulling back and creating lower highs, that is what market structure means. When you're in a bullish market, the market is moving up, making highs and lows, higher highs and higher lows. That is what market structure means, basically. That's how you define market structure. So, and that is price action. Ever since I left the city, I trade 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the afternoon, and 1 hour in the night. Is that enough time to practice? I feel like it can be. Actually, guys, there's two-way, it's a two-way thing. There are moments when you're going to be looking at the charts, you're not trading, but you're practicing the strategy in anticipation that you're going to start trading. Probably, let me say, like, you pick this week, you practice, then you are like in anticipation, maybe next week I'll go on a real account. So if you lock in every day 4 hours just looking at the charts, practicing a strategy, and there is also having a trading session when you are executing less and focusing on patiently taking trades that are in line with what you have with your strategy. That can also be another form of practice. It is more of learning on a real account, but you're not over executing. Yeah, let me hope that helps you. But the thing is not about the amount of hours. I mean, I could spend 6 hours on the chart, but when I'm not fully locked in, and someone could spend about 2 hours on the chart, but every minute they make every minute in those 2 hours count when they are fully locked in. You may find they have spent less time on the charts, but they have actually benefited more than me who has spent more time on the charts. The key is to fully lock in. Someone actually comment locked in. That is the beauty about locking in. Someone comment locked in. You just have to fully lock in. No distractions, no nothing, just yourself and the charts locked in.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey.
Nature, what's up? Samtek, good to see ya. Samtek, the young scientist. Okay.
Can't describe the pressure I be putting on myself. Yeah. Really, I just can't afford to lose nobody else. Yeah. If they moving shaky, we just do the shit ourselves. If I'm moving shaky, Chubbs will do the shit himself. Yeah. Solo niggas on a YOLO for real. Heard a lot about you, but we don't know for real. Next time, guarantee the truth will get revealed. Black leather glove, no sequins. Yeah, buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you.
Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in. Well, this is a trading assembly, and while we are here, we are fully locked in. And as long as the markets are open, we are gonna be locked in for life, guys. For life.
I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we about to slide.
Nature's good to see ya. Jerome, good to see ya. Okay, someone is asking, I've been hearing locked in. What do you mean by that? I mean, you just locked in. What can I say? Locked in means actually you're really putting 100% of your focus onto what you love. So, and we all know we are dealing with trading. This is a trading assembly. So, as traders, if you are looking at the charts, we are putting our 100% focus on the charts, and that's what it means to be fully locked in. And we are not just locked in for today; we are locked in for life. That's what locked in means, basically. Locked in for life. As long as every day we wake up and the markets are still running, we are gonna be running with them. Nobody else. Nobody else. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself. Actually, the market is really moving. The market is really moving. We haven't got any phase where we are in a crazy sideway market. It's been trending. It's been giving us trends. I got news, I got news. I got news, I got news. That's Debbie. That's the point of being fully locked in. That's the point of being fully locked in. The beauty about locking in when you're in your trading session is you never have an excuse of like I missed an entry because maybe I was on a phone call or maybe I was trading around a friend and they brought some this conversation and they distracted you for a few minutes. Then you find the market is already running. Whenever you are in your trading session, I encourage 100% focus, and that means that, like I always said, you guys, me, I do not trade around people. The only time you're going to catch me trading with people, it is they are going to be fellow traders, and the only conversations you're going to be having in that session is analyzing the market and concluding where to be taking entries. But other than that, my trading sessions, I respect them. I do not be with anyone, and my phone is always on DND, just fully locked in. I mean, you just lock in for a few minutes, few hours, then you just get back to your life after that. What's wrong with that? I mean, that's what serious traders will be doing. I got rules. Traders in the building, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? You suffer.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love?
All right, I see someone locked in from Texas. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Good to see ya.
We'll be loving you till we're 70.
Let us fast catch on these sales, guys.
Baby,
wow. This is what they define by a Marabuzo candle, guys. This is how it looks like. Big body, 0 wicks. It's a sign of big momentum. So whenever you see such candlestick pattern, it's a sign of big momentum in the market.
Maybe just a touch of
So what you do is to capitalize on it. And you can see here it happened in a key area. The market had already taken out a high, and we were anticipating a bearish pullback. And the market offered us a Maraguzo candle. That was enough reason for us to take those sales.
Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars.
Okay, I see someone watching from London, Trinidad, Nigeria. Good to have you all. Good to have you all, traders.
We found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my eyes don't play strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same.
Guys, I do have a Signal group, and if you want to join it, it is simple. You create an account with my link, write to me via Telegram with proof, and I'll surely add you to the Signal group. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram, and that's what you're gonna do to write to me.
I'm thinking about
Okay, I see someone from Argentina, someone from Ghana. I mean, we are fully locked in from everywhere in the world. That's what I love about this trading assembly. We are always locked in from everywhere. We always have traders representing from every part of the world. Baby, now
take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. Thinking out
loud, maybe we found love right where we are.
baby, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, darling, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, but maybe we found love right where we are. Or maybe we found love right where we are. And we found love right where we are.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. We are here to learn. Guys, whenever you're really in the market, one thing that you should not really forget, it is understanding the market conditions. If you can write it somewhere as a reminder, please do, because the more you understand the market condition you are in, it's gonna be easier for you to look for confluences that confirm entries in that market conditions. And the other thing that you can really focus on is understanding market structure. That is where you're going to be seeing the turning points in the market, the highs and the lows. And most of the time, the market is moving towards taking out a low or a high or raise. That's how market structure is forming in the market. So if you can get that concept as a pure price action trader, I mean, that's how we be moving here every night. In my lover girl era, guys. I wasn't ready for this.
It just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might satisfy you. Feeling all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. Yeah. I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Yeah.
Jamie, good to see ya. Jamie, good to see ya. Motivation Focus, good to see ya. Christ, good to have you.
It just won't stop it go. Head over heels in love.
Naveen.
I wanna build this love. And everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me
Boot up.
boot up. So you're from the jump, I don't wanna choose you. Got me boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer.
Alright, let us watch Struction. See if we can get our next entry. You all know price action traders. Market structure is king in our strategy.
Listen to my heart go bottom.
Booter.
My heart go bottom.
Oh my god. What?
It just won't stop it go bottom. Boot up. And my heart go bottom. Boot up. It just won't stop it go. Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home? I'll warm up your plate when you arrive. And you go take off your shoes, hop out in the tough. You don't have to, but I wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. The good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Right here when you waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and nails scrambled up. Pancakes, bacon, OJ on the side. Got your bag with extra clothes, your toothbrush and a Louis told love notes for when you on the road. Cleaned your watch and Cuban links, a pillowcase for you to take. Boy, you deserve a little thing. Yeah, just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. The good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, can switch your timing when our schedules aren't aligning. That's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. More than I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh, baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You're really him. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm gonna do the little thing. Then I can say, and you
Comment you face, sir.
each day. Oh, baby, and I never thought I'd
Bonjour, my friend. Good to see ya. Good to see ya. Stadium moments. Good to have you, real kiddo. What's up?
I'm down to do the little
Pen Paul, good to see ya. Jamie, good to have you. Good to see you all traders. The indicator you're seeing on the chart, it's Keltina channel, and I'm using it with its default settings. Reminder traders, I do not only base my entries on the indicator, I back it up with price action.
My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl.
I back it up with price action.
But what if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked? Someone who never asks for love but knows how to take it. Are you that somebody who sees a wall and breaks it? Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws? Can you love me naked?
The market is trading downwards. We are gonna keep selling it until it makes no sense. So let's see. The easiest way you can trade as a beginner is to follow that trend. And by that, if you're in a bearish market, you just wait for the pullback to be done, then you trade a continuation. So your point is here is to trade continuations and avoiding pullback entries for beginners. And once you have mastered continuation entries, then you can start adding in pullback entries.
Somebody
Who loves me naked.
Someone who never asks for love.
Good love, good to see ya. Sam, good to see ya. Hey, hey. That name is crazy. I failed to pronounce it, but good to have you, my darling. This is the trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Mommy, I've been
I need someone who loves me when I wake up. Who thinks I'm beautiful when I'm looking fucked up? I want that perfect love. Am I asking too much? Someone who shoots for the stars, knowing nothing I'm not good enough. I need somebody who loves me naked. Someone who never asks for love and knows how to take it. Are you somebody who sees a wall and breaks it? Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws? Can you love me naked?
Alright.
Yeah, naked. Yeah, naked.
Our queue is ready for the donation. Someone comment ready because in a few we are gonna get into the donation. So if you're ready for them, let me see you comment. Let me see you comment ready.
Cause you take the bullet trying to save me. Then I'm left to do what making you bleed. And there's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. There's just so beautiful words, don't wanna taste it. There's just so beautiful words, don't wanna face it.
So how many traders are ready for the donations? Because in a few we are getting into them.
Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough.
Alright, I can see you guys so in a few we're gonna get into them. Tripping on you.
My bad, fuck, tripping on you. Tripping on you. I'm cool when I you waiting, but I act a fool when I don't get it. And I'm steady bruising just to save this, but I tripped on your love, now I'm addicted. And that's all I love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just so bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. That's just so bitter for words, don't wanna face it. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I'm been slipping, that's how I control this feeling you.
Guys, feel free to ask any trading questions. Are you able to? I mean, I've not got what you're trying to ask, my dear friend. Do you mind if you rephrase it? There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, so you can check it out down there. My strategy is about keeping it simple. Yeah. Actually, the more I learn to keep things simple in trading, the easier it really got for me compared to when I was trying to have 1,000 confluences on my charts. It just got easier this way. Just with understanding the concept of being patient, that just because I'm seeing a green candle opening, it doesn't mean I should immediately execute buys. Because we all know a candle could open green and closes when it is a selling candle. Alright guys, let us first secure our profits, then we get into the donations. Let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into the donations. We are wishing luck to all our participants for tonight. And guys, if you wanna be part of the participants tonight, and if you want to be part of the participants tonight, all you have to do is to use the donation link down in the description, and you surely see your name on the list. So we're here for our first, and we just need one single attempt. So let us get it.
I'm coming, my baby. Fucking on crocodile Burke in the baby. You don't take breaks, you won't fuck on the daily. Had to start getting purse for this lady. We go CC, make her wanna go crazy. I hit Mercedes inside the Mercedes. How would that P got you popping in places? I'm giving that a D on a D boy, baby. Giving that a D on a T boy, baby. I'm in that girl like a sit up. I drop the dig out like a dealer. Yeah, I left a few racks for your renter. She made that little pussy pop like a pepper. I'm parking right here in the center. Yeah, I tell her pull up, she gon' mop out the dribble. That's why.
Guys, our first attempt is in, and this is a continuation move, so let us see how it goes. Of course, we already have a Marubuzo candle closing down our entry, so this is a good sign. Yeah, as anticipated. Let me see you type. Congratulations to Noah Bray. Noah. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to Noah. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to our first participant for tonight. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participants right away. So that's what we're doing.
perky, my baby. Seeing HD on the Tusi, my baby. 31 gang, get spooky, my baby. How can I worry about blocking with buttons when niggas is out here and Glockies is busting? How can I not be the topic of discussion when niggas got rich off of dropping my buddy? How do you even be rocking with Buddy? The pictures I seen, I'm like, damn, it got lucky. Take it from him and I leave him with nothing. She wanna go viral. We fucking for hours. That pussy got power. That pussy got power. She wet in the shower. That pussy get loud. We saying no power. She fucking no cow. Nope, I'm digging it deep. She wanna get geek. She sniffing that flower. We geeking for hours. It players a player.
All right, we move on to our next. Move on to our next.
To my brother, she ours.
Sorry about that. Let us move on to our next. I go wait. We are gonna wait and get a move. Just to attempt for this second participant, just to attempt. So let us get in. We are already in. These are the best moves for me, guys. If only we could have the market where you just execute a move and immediately goes in your direction. I would be trading throughout the day and night. Okay, let us get our second item. You're becoming pretty day by day. Oh my god. Thank you. Look at you making a trader like me blush. Thank you for the compliment. Oh, you really want to me. Okay guys, let us get another move. The market is still moving, dropping, and we all know that is the mindset you always have on the charts, understanding the markets, what the market could be doing. So currently we are looking at a selling market, bullish pullback, but this is some crazy momentum from buyers. Let us see if they are really gonna take us to the moon now. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe, so magic. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. That can be broken. One drop should be enough. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe. It's called like magic. And it's called like magic. Take a sip from a secret potion. One taste of you be mine. Can't be broken. It'll keep you up all night. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe. And it's called like magic. Our second item, guys, it is already showing me direction in my anticipated move. Okay, let me see. Tell congratulations to our participant. 2 items are fully locked in. Yeah, let me see. Tell congratulations to Vera. 2 items are fully locked in. And that's how we are gonna be moving. Yeah, and you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that. Let's do that.
You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it.
Shreya, good to see ya. Alex, France, good to have you. Honari, good to see ya. And every time you my phone, you say you can party.
I'm a runner boy. 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 Girl, you used to being quiet till I brought that loud. You say your dollars is a mountain. And your mama, your account.
Hey, Dara, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are on to our next participant. 4 attempts for sweet dadon, sweet dadon. 4 attempts. So let us look in. Saving company.
I'm a runner boy. 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 I'm a runner boy.
Major keys, I'm the boss. Don't Griselda go off. Left from the loft and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my cloth. About to drop an album, this is my fourth.
I'm pushing in my spaghetti sauce. I am trading binary options. I am on gold OTC chart. Yeah, my strategy is simple price action. So every entry I'm making, it is based on that. With price action, I'm looking at a few confluences. That is understanding the market direction, understanding market structure, and also understanding candlestick patterns for a more refined entry.
He wanna mix between Hillary and Monica. I switch it up. I switch it up. Brick the beat and I switch it up. Traveled and I bounced up all Sinead. Barbie, I link up Major Laser.
I'm a runner boy. 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 I'm a runner boy.
Guys, patience is really important whenever you're trading. And actually, a trader that can control their movement by being patient, you'll find yourself locking in better entries compared to a trader that is looking forward to just having more numbers of trades. It's not all about the number of trades you're opening. It's all about opening trades that are precise, that are in line with your strategy. So for you to patiently wait when the market is making sense to you, it is really important. It's really important.
She said I love you, I said heard you and I love the love. I'm off this jacket, got me feeling like the 9. When she ride my face, I call her my little ride-or-die. Nasty, love the way you looking, right here. Time I got that toilet, and I love the way you ride. It's just me, you in the seat, that's how I like. You can bring bust it open, got her soaking. Put my tongue in it, I can taste the ocean. Pills and potion, I just wanna with no emotion. And she toxic, hook, but she exotic. Always keep
Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question. I mean, we're always here to learn. Do you have any traders that blew their accounts today? It's not something that you should be proud of. And do you have any traders that made some good moves today? Please share with me. Please share with me. Share with me. This is a trading assembly. I mean, sharing experience is a must. You guys are crazy.
Let them know what time it is. We came here to party. We came here to dance. You know that you're my girl.
Guys, on this stream, you can always ask me any trading question. And also on my channel, I have videos talking about this particular strategy that I use. I'm always talking about the strategy that I'm using. I have videos talking about it, and I'm gonna be dropping more. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any video. Okay, and guys, the strategy is simple: price action. And when it comes to price action, we are looking at the market conditions. By market conditions, I'm talking about understanding: are you in a bullish market? Are you in a bearish market? Are you in a sideways market? We all know all those markets. We approach them in a different way. You're always going to be the way you trade a bearish market is not the same way you trade a bullish market. So knowing the market condition is important, and you also understand market structure. If you look forward to be a pure price action trader, understanding market structure is very important for you. And with market structure, we are talking about series of lower highs and lower lows. You can currently see right now our chart is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. That is a sign of a bearish market. And in a bearish market, when you are trading, you want to execute continuation entries. Those are sell trades. So you wait for the market to pull back. And if it doesn't take out the most recent high in the market structure, and it gives you a selling candle or a selling candlestick pattern, you're going to take continuation entries. If you are in a bearish market and the market takes out break structure to the downside, you anticipate a pullback. Currently, you can see we are in a pullback because the market broke structure, took out a low, and the market gave us 2 pin bars down here, followed by a green candle that closed, and it is followed by another green candle. That is a sign that buyers were strong, and you can easily take a buy entry based on that. But currently, looking at market structure, the bulls have taken out the most recent high from the bearish market. That means the structure has shifted now bullish. So what I'm anticipating currently, it is a bullish market. Basically, that's how you be trading with price action. So that's what it means by a bullish price action. Currently, the market, my bias has shifted bullish because the market took out the most recent high. Whenever you're really trading with market structure, guys, you have to be understanding, looking at those changes, and immediately you see those changes, don't hesitate to execute. Oh my God. Them buyers are really having some momentum here. My first attempt has been taken out. Let us refund and do it again. You all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us do that and get the 4 attempts. Talk for lifestyle.
I got a play on my phone. You know what I'm on. Huncho who did it is gone. My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all.
Guys, let us try again.
Since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard for the hard to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hating, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
Guys, we are trying to catch on a pullback entry, and I'm already loving what I'm looking at. Yeah. Okay, first attempt is fully locked in. Let us get more moves. And as I told you, my bias already shifted to bullish. So I'm gonna be expecting more buyers unless sellers take out the most recent low. For a bullish market, what is strong enough that should tell you that the structure shifted is the lows. So once the market pulls back and takes out the low, start anticipating buyers in the market. And when you are in a bearish market, you want to see the market maintaining the highs. The moment the market pulls back and takes out a high, immediately start anticipating buyers in the market. So all you have to do is to wait and confirm more market structures from buyers to get to be moving.
I didn't know how to follow. It's like the shot is running around, and now my heart there. I feel so empty and hollow, and I never give myself to another the way I gave it to you.
Second attempt is in, guys. Are you seeing this? Hey, yeah. This is already moving well. This is already moving well. 2 more to go.
Next time you wanna go on a date, you should just let you go on and do it. Cause now I'm using like
Where did this candle come from? Oh my god. Oh my lord. Damn. I'm sorry about that. Our third attempt has been invalidated. Oh my god. Shoot that down. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Like you were my favorite drug. The only problem is that you was using me in a different way that I was using you. Now that I know it's not meant to be, it gotta go, I gotta win myself off of you. Alright guys, let us move on to our next participant. And let us see if we can get close to her. Okay. Let us see. I'm seeing someone saying they have been watching the videos and the confidence got better. That's really nice. I mean, that's the whole point of learning. just working on just getting the strategy. It also involves working on your psychology. You took demo account from 1K to 9K and 9K to 21. Okay. Honestly, the only problem that is disturbing you is one. It is easier to trade on a demo because there are no emotions involved. That is the honest truth. And when you're not emotionally attached to one account or what, because when it comes to trading, actually what disturbs us is not the strategy, because our strategy we know it, but when you are on a real account, your mind already knows that I'm dealing with real capital. So, and whenever you're dealing with real capital, there is a way your mind is gonna try to fight you, thinking that you're taking not to take the risk. So in that process, it's been so hard to trade. Personally, I would advise any trader not really trade demos. This is from my own experience, because me, when I was honestly starting out, I didn't trade demo accounts. I started out on a real account. It's only that the accounts I was really trading, they were not so big, so that was the difference. I'm not going to lie to you that I started on a real account with big capital. I just started on real accounts with just little capital. I really didn't go through a demo account, and that is because actually the traders that I was next to, they advised me not to do that. So you need that market psychology. All right, guys, let me see you type congratulations to our participant. Our target being hit. Serena. Let me see congratulations, guys, to our participant. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Honestly, market psychology is so hard. It is like the best. It is the most hard thing to really master when it comes to trading. Market psychology is something that disturbed me so much. And the more you keep on taking losses from the market, I'm not talking about one-off losses. I'm talking about blowing an account. The more you keep on blowing accounts, the more your psychology keeps on actually getting worse and worse and worse. You are sometimes even you reach a phase when you cannot trade. You know every right step to do when you are a trader, but sometimes you just fail. So something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Whenever you're on a real account and you're just a beginner trader, your focus shouldn't be so much on the target. Like, guys, I told you, I do not take daily targets anymore. Like, when I'm setting my trading goals, they cease to be daily targets, because the more, if you put daily targets on your trading account, you're going to find yourself trading under pressure. It is best to set like a weekly target compared to setting a daily target. When you set a daily target, chances of you blowing are high, because you're going to find yourself trading under pressure to hit that target. Something that cannot happen, okay, sometimes, but weekly targets, they tend to be, if I've not made it on a Tuesday, I could think I still have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Let me hope you get that. So because actually this is from my own experience, because I honestly don't set daily targets anymore. because of that, I got tired of the trading under pressure to hit the daily targets.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through.
Alright, let us look in for 2 items for our trader, for our participant. Let us get into 2 targets, 2 items.
I got niggas trying to end me.
Oh, I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry.
Rolling.
How many more shots will you run?
We just need a face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and
Give me a work.
It's me up there, work. You see me do my da. So me body, when you
You have blown very many accounts and you didn't have anyone advising you coming to know your channel. It's making everything better. I'm glad you guys are really learning and you're fully locked in, and I'm so glad you're really still locking in with me. Yeah, I mean, that's why we are here. And the things I'm sharing purely from my own experience, so I don't feel like if I've gone through them, no trader should also go through them, because even me, actually, the thing of not setting daily targets, it happened to me from my own experience as a trader. I would also be there setting daily targets. It's when I realized when I set daily targets, I'm under so much pressure to hit that target that I end up blowing an account. Compared, if the Monday has not worked out for me, I'm going to look forward to the next day because I know I still have some time. It just helps you with managing your emotions so much and not overreacting if you have not really hit the daily target. We are here to learn, and you guys, I'm gonna be sharing these things. My own experience, trading experience. Please, guys, don't do that. Don't share. No, don't trust niggas, no. Don't share your details. Don't share your details in comments, guys. Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that L, you lose. No need to pretend. Okay. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Feel free to share your trading experience. We are here to learn. We are here to catch up as traders. I mean, that's how we are supposed to be moving. Always, that's how we are supposed to be moving. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from?
Give and take, you give it to them, they take the shit for granted, yeah. Different than it was before. People around you wanting more.
Take your life. Our first attempt, guys, is already locking in. Okay, fully locked in. Let us get.
But they still need you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that L, you lose. Girl, that's not me.
Oh my god, what's happening here? Oh my god, come on, damn. I'm sorry about that. Next time better.
She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first. She got a little bit of drum with her first, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends.
Izu, good to see ya. Good to see you, Izu. Charles, good to see ya. Mason, good to have you. Oh my god. Interesting. There's a link in the description for a platform I'm using. Okay. What account size to start and power? Emmanuel, I feel like when the point is not about the account size to start with. The point is when to think about your risk management. And if you're trading a small account, risk management is by start. Actually, it doesn't actually matter. I feel like even it's not about account size, you should be risking according to your account size. So, and if the account has grown, that's when you should consider increasing the risk. Give yourself time to grow the account, then you start increasing the risk like that. The point is to avoid greed at all levels. And we all know traders, it is natural. I mean, I've been there. Sometimes when you make profit, you want to increase and double the account immediately. First, forget about flipping accounts and focus on just building your skill.
With every single part of me, love for you is constantly forever and ever on repeat, and it won't stop. When we pull up to the beach, stand down in my face, I'm down.
This is our second attempt, guys, and it's a continuation move. Let me say type congratulations to Vivia. Let me say type congratulations to our participants. 2 attempts are locked in. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant straight away. Every day, and it won't stop. You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. You're new here. Good to have you. Good to see you, my friend. This is a trading assembly. We are always fully locked in. We show up every day, 8 p.m. UK time. Yeah, you can always join the trading assembly.
I can't wait to take a breath away from me. In my heart, you got the key. Put that on me eternally. I love you till infinity.
There's a link in the description, guys, for the platform I'm using for all those that are asking. Yes, I do have a Telegram channel, and there's a link in the description for it. You can join a community of traders from everywhere. In this trading assembly, we are fully locked in from every part of the world.
With every single part of me, love for you is constantly forever and ever on repeat, and it won't stop.
One attempt and we have closed it. We have closed it. So let me see type congratulations to Leo. Leo Mir. Oh.
And it won't stop. Boom, boom.
Let me see type congratulations.
And it won't stop. Boom, boom, boom.
Joshua, good to see ya. Good to see ya. If you're new to things, all you have to do is to fully log in. I have videos on this channel talking about my strategy. You can always join the trading assembly every night, 8 p.m. UK time. I mean, I'm already sharing my strategy in details. All you have to do is to log in. I'm not sure remember how to.
Gonna be late, but all my girls don't have to wait, cause I don't know if I like my outfit. I tried everything in my closet.
Nothing feels right when you're not with me.
Sick of this dress and these Jimmy Choos. Taking them off cause I feel
Guys, let me still type congratulations to our participants. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do this. Nothing but your t-shirt. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Really hurting now that you gone. Thought maybe I'd do some shopping, but I couldn't get past the door. And now I don't know if I ever really gonna let you go. And I couldn't even leave my apartment. I'm stripped down, torn up about it.
Nothing feels right when I'm not with you.
Sick of this dress and these Jimmy Choos. Taking them off cause I feel the trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'm tired of this lingerie. Couldn't go with something here in that LA. With nothing but your t-shirt. I'm all by myself with nothing but your t-shirt. With nothing but your t-shirt. Cause I miss you. With nothing but your t-shirt. Said I miss you, baby. Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I couldn't even leave my apartment. I shut down, torn up about it.
Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. We go on to our next. When I'm missing you. Nothing. Just stand. Okay, from 20 to 3-4 on my demo. All right, that's nice. Let me hope you're following the strategy. You know, guys, it's so easy to grow a demo account, because I mean, even since you're not emotionally attached to anything. Okay, this is just my only perspective of demo accounts. I feel like you don't get the psychological point of trading from trading a demo compared to a real account. That's why it's so easy to get results when demo compared to a real account. And we all know when it comes to trading, psychology also plays a part. It plays a part, because you could be having the best strategy, but if your psychology is messed up, you may not find yourself confident enough to even execute an entry. So let us get our second attempt. Guys, the times I used to be in love, this used to be my song. In my lover girl season.
be applause, hold a standing ovation, cause it don't mean shit if we can't hold our conversation, babe. They can bring the cameras down, never give a damn about them. They just want the pictures, I'm just picturing my life without them. Guess I'm just the type to choose a pub over the club, even if the party's jumping, catch me grooving to the beat of your love.
I'm Rami, good to see ya. How are you doing?
With me if we keep it simple and sweet. Sipping on
Georging.
a bottle at the beach. Even if it's
I mean, the platform I'm using, there's a link in the description for it. And the in-case I have on the chat, guys, it's Kaotina channel, and I'm using it with this default setting. I do not only execute based on the indicators, I back them up with price action as my strategy. This is our final attempt, guys. Let me hope you're fully locked in to see what's happening.
Used to think I didn't need a man
Until I got a taste of your love. Let me see type congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. You know I love you, baby. Lay my head upon a chest, fall into your heartbeat. Baby, get undressed, lay your wallet and your car keys down. It's about to go down.
Simple and sweet. Sipping on a bottle at the beach. Even if it's only you and me. Faded, no shaming. Singing every love song, getting all the words. Simple and sweet. Put my phone on silent, let it ring.
Hey,
Show you what
your company means to me. No falling.
Baby, this is where I want.
First attempt is locked in.
Sweet.
I mean, I love such entries. You execute, immediately goes in your direction. I live for this. They give me a certain level of joy.
Blue skies don't stand a chance against that love that I have. My heart so safe in your hands. My thoughts don't seem so bad. You took the weight off me, and I can finally breathe now. I don't know what you see, but you bring the best of me.
Honestly,
I love
what
it
happened there?
about your past
Oh my
and all
God.
the memories
I'm
that
sorry
you
about
had.
that.
I love the way
I'm sorry about that. Next time,
all
better.
your pain and still you're strong. I know if everything changed you, it doesn't matter where I go. Wherever you are, it's home, 'cause you're home. Picture me laying in your bed, all these thoughts running through my head. Oh, you're home. Picture me lying in your arms. Through these eyes, you can do no wrong. Oh, you're home. Raindrops falling on my head. I could be drenched, but I don't care. Singing in the rain, 'cause I'm in love. It's been a while since I've been so deep in love. I give him all my bag, could you tell me I'ma be okay? Found myself a savage, the only one that
Not
keeps me sane.
another
I've been
one.
going crazy on my own.
Dang.
The only one to tell me when I be wrong.
There was a lot of price indecision here, guys. The market is getting crazy. Let us refund and try again. Let us refund and try again. The market is getting crazier, to be honest. But let us look in. Looking great. Thank you. Guys, these compliments, I love them. So thank you. I appreciate that.
Picture me lying in your arms.
Honestly, the market is starting to play tricks on me. Damn. Oh my god. I am sorry about that. I am sorry about that. Guys, we are gonna start from here tomorrow. Tomorrow we start with Benjamin. Congratulations to all the participants. Congratulations to all the participants. And I'm sorry for all participants where I didn't go well. We shall start from here tomorrow. Good night. I love you so much. Bye.